How to taste wine in 3 simple steps. Let's wine together. White, pale white, gold, red, ruby, garnet. I know it's complicated, right? Just getting the right hues. To be honest, that's something for Psalms. Just getting the right color is not something that a wine lover should really worry too much about. What is it really interesting is this. That actually we're able to get all sorts of information just looking at a glass of wine. Whether it's white, red, sparkling, sweet, orange, doesn't really matter. The point with color is that looking at the glass of wine, the sense of sight can actually tell us whether the wine is acidic or flabby, whether it's alcoholic or non-alcoholic, whether the wine is old or young, whether even if it comes from high altitude or high latitude. Really? Really. How? Let's do it. So, first of all, as we said before, during the introduction, you do not grab the glass like that. You don't want to warm the wine up or to leave your fingerprints on the bowl. The wine shows its character on the color. So let's start with the brightness of the color or how opaque the color is. Bright colored wines means that they're gonna be very acidic. And possibly they come from a mountain area or from high latitude. So brightness, brilliance is already gonna tell you that you're about to drink something that is gonna be quite refreshing. Numero 2, color. The darker a white, the older the wine. The lighter a red, the older the wine. So white wines gain color as they age, red wines lose color as they age. What else? Why people do this? They don't have a clue. Most people do this because they feel cool. The reason why I'm doing this is to look at the legs. In Italiano sono gli archetti. The legs are gonna tell you how alcoholic a wine is. The higher the alcohol, the more legs you're gonna see around the glass. What else? Well, the speed. How fast is this wine moving in the cup? Now, the faster the movement, the less sugars in the wine. When you see a wine that moves really slowly, like this coating in the glass, that's glycerin. And that is the sign of sugars. So the slower, the more sweeter. What else is there, guys? I think it's time to move on to the nose of wine. Did you learn anything new today? If you have any questions, just ask. And of course, for more tips, tricks, and love, follow us on our social media and our wine classes. And enjoy it like a true Italiano.